Discover the girl with the pearl earring like you have never seen before. After a complete scan of the painting has been made with the Hirox microscope, we concentrated on a double dot that Vermeer created to add texture in the fabrics. And this is how the scan has been made.
So I will do the start point and then go up to here.
I wanted more of the lines.
The black.
Yeah, there we go.
Back here somewhere?
Yeah,
I can go even lower.
That's great.
Okay, end points.
Yeah, please.
And then I will use a bigger magnification at 140x. Alright, so we'll have a good 3D information. And this is the bottom point, and this is the somewhere here will be the top point. And now I will do a coordinate scanning. So he will do 30 single files.
Wow.
The Hirox software is then automatically moving the lens up and down with very high precision, capturing a series of images at different focus and combining them in one fully focused image. The motorized XY stage is then moving to the next position, creating a high-resolution panorama. This is the result of this scan, a 3D image of the surface where we can observe with high precision the topography and measure the height of those two dots. Here the color represents the altitude. Red is the highest and blue is the lowest point of this 3D. You can also see cracks, dust and pigments. To understand better the surface, this 3D has been expanded 4 times in the z-axis. The total height is 130 micron, which is about 1/7 of a millimeter.